Hello parents and teachers. Today we are answering the question, why does the CRISELECT curriculum promote introducing capital and small case letters together when we are introducing a letter of the alphabet? Well, when we look at some schools that are operating today, some of them are introducing the capital letters first. The thought process behind this possibly could be that when we were kids, we also learned it like this. And there are also some schools that are operating today that are introducing the small case letters first. The possible thought process behind this could be that when children are introduced to text like storybooks, the content in those storybooks is mostly made up of small case letters, and therefore it makes sense to introduce the small case letters first. So then why do we at CRISELECT introduce it differently? Well, I'd like to answer this question using two terms from brain compatible learning. They are chunking as well as connected learning. So what does chunking mean? Chunking means that when you want to introduce children to a large piece of information, you are supposed to break it down into smaller digestible chunks. So over here we want to teach the large piece of information, which is the alphabet, and then you break them down into 26 capital and 26 small case. But that's too many chunks. That is where connected learning comes in. What does connected learning say? Connected learning says that when you are able to connect pieces of information that can relate to each other and connect to each other, retention will be a lot better in children. And therefore we introduce both the capital and small case letters together to the children, along with introducing the letter name, the letter sound, as well as the vocabulary words. But we don't do this by just making the children sit in front of desks and the teacher talking. The curriculum is filled with lots of games and lots of activities to make this learning process fun. Because anything that is fun, the brain loves, and therefore retention will always be there.